So today, folks, we're doing a commercial building inspection, and we are in the bathroom, and I really got to share with you some crazy stuff going down in this one here. So I got my tile here. Of course, this is, this is not good, but I mean, you got to have something for a clean out. All right, so we got that happening. But then I want to bring over here, now this is my condensate line for my furnace. This is a high energy efficient condensate, and so that means that we have some very caustic condensate coming down right into our drain in here. But then I want to share it up here. Whoa, what do we got here? Right above my kitchen sink, or my bathroom sink, I got a breaker box. Now look at that. Where's my GFCI? What happens here? Well, that's not even working. That's a disaster. Now, when I first came in here, I'm looking for the light switch, but where is my light switch? Holy cow, look at that. Well, first you got to be somewhat of a semi-tall person to get in here. You're trying to wander around in the dark. You're tripping over your electrical box. My stars, can you talk about a bigger mess? Look at this right here. Oh, that's a beautiful hoe. Folks, this is what you need to make sure when you're getting an inspection or you're buying a building, commercial or residential. You're getting another set of eyes to help you. And, thank you for watching our videos. This is why we are the highest rated reviewed company in the Midwest. Making sure people ain't getting ripped off. These people are not. These buyers here, they're on it. Thank you, folks. Have a great day. Oh, wow.